everyone, welcome to Mo Precious Concept. I am by name Simeon Eni Lumoka. Today will be the second day of our training, but it will be the first day that we will get our training video. The video that I dropped yesterday happens to be introduction video. If you check our course outline, you will see that we have domain and hosting, which happens to be the first thing on our course outline. That is what we will be going into today. Today I'll be dropping two videos. Yes, two videos. Domain, I explained to us yesterday what domain means, and hosting, what hosting means. So I'll be recommending a company for us where we can get our domain name and hosting. The company name is Qserver. The reason why I will be recommending this company to us is that their services is top notch. Trust me on that. Their services is top notch. I will give you the link where you can get this domain name and hosting. I'll be posting the link into the group. Just click on the link, or you copy the link and paste into your browser, so you'll be able to get to the company. Now I would like to explain something to us before we go further. If you are choosing, we have .com. .com means commercial. We have .org, we have .gov, but .gov is not for ordinary people, it's for government. If you are choosing .com.ng, this company will give you free domain name. You will not have to pay for your domain name. But if you are choosing if you are choosing .com.ng and you are paying for a year hosting, let me correct that, a year hosting. If you are picking .com.ng and you are going for a month hosting, as a monthly hosting, that if that is the services that you want, monthly hosting, you will have to pay for your domain name. But if you are going for a year hosting, which is just 7,000 naira, I told you that with as low as 7,000 naira or as little as 7,000 naira, you can own your own website. So if you are going for a year subscription for your hosting, they will not charge you for your domain name. Now when we get into the system, you will understand what I am talking about. Now we'll be going directly to the system. We'll be going directly to the system. As you can see, I will be using Chrome. Yes, I will be using Chrome. This is Chrome. Then the link that I will give to you is either you press the link, is either you copy the link, or you just click on the link. Is either you press the link or you just click on the link. Now I'm pasting the link. I'm pasting the link here. Then I press OK. So the link will take you directly to this place. As you can see, from as low as 7,000. Yes, from as low as 7,000. The next thing for you to do is to click on Order Now. Click on Order Now. If you check this area, you will see that they have starter pack, they have business pack, they have developer pack, they have professional pack, mega pack, and so on and so forth. Now, as a starter, as a beginner, I will be advising you to go for starter pack. And starter pack, you can choose monthly plan and you can choose annual plan. If you check this area, you will see that they have monthly plan, which is 700 naira every month, and they have annual plan, which is 7,000 naira every year. If you go for annual plan, then you will be saving 1,400. This starter pack is very good for a beginner or for a starter. So the next thing for you to do is to click Order Now. Just click Order Now. When you click Order Now, then Order Now will take you to this area. To take you to this area. This is where you'll be picking your domain name. If you check this area, you will see register a new domain. Register a new domain. www mean World Wide Web. Now I will be for the course of this training, I will be using Ife Global Services. services. Effect global services. Then if you check this area, you will see .ng there. But I will not be going for this .ng. I will not be going for .ng. I'll be going for .com.ng. I'll be going for .com.ng. Now, if you check, you will see .ng, .com, .net, .org, .info, .tv, .biz, and so on, and so on. Here you will see .com.ng. You see .com.ng. As well, you can decide to go for .com. You can decide to go for .org, but you will have to submit some necessary documents. You can go for .info. You can go for .tv. The cost for the domain name is not the same. It's not the same. So I'll be going for .com.ng. Now that is it. effectglobalservices.com.ng. Now here, if you check this place, they are asking you transfer your domain from another register. If you want to transfer your domain from another register, or I will use my existing domain, but you don't have existing domain and you don't have any domain that you want to transfer. That is why we are picking register a new domain, and this is the name. You will input the name here, then you will pick what you want your suffix to be. The next thing for us to do now is to click continue. You click continue. It depends on your network how fast this will open. It depends on your network. Now if you check this area, let me zoom it. If you check this area, you can see now they are giving us suggestions. This is effectglobalservices.com, .ng, effectglobalservices.school.ng. But you know, I told you earlier on that we are going for .com.ng, which we already clicked on. As you can see here now, congratulations, effectglobalservices.com.ng is available. That means that domain name is available. The domain name is available. And for if you want to choose a domain name, annual fee for domain name is 1,000 naira. Yes, 1,000 naira. But if you are going for annual hosting package, you will not have to pay for this domain name, which is 1,000. You will not be paying the 1,000 naira. Now, but for the cost of this training, I will be going for a monthly package, which is 700 naira. So I will be paying 1,700 naira for this website. You can later now change it to annual. Plan. So you can change it to annual plan. I will be picking that for now. The next thing for us to do is to click continue. So it will take us to this area. As you can see, they are now telling us how much this will cost. They are telling us how much this will cost. You can see circle billing 700 naira monthly. Yes, 700. You can, from this area, you can pick quarterly. You can pick quarterly. You can pick semi-annually. You can pick annually, which is 7,000. You can even pick for 2 years, that is 17,000, or 3 years, that will be 21,000. But for the cost of this training, we'll be picking for as a monthly plan, which is starter pack. Now the next thing is to click continue. I hope you are following me. If you are not getting this, you can rewind this video, or you can slow it down, so for you to get me properly. Yes. Now the next thing that we are going to do is to click here. Then if you check, you will see domain configuration. The following options and settings are available for the domains you have chosen. Required field are indicated with star. Yes, this is the name. Now the next thing for us to do is to click on continue. Click continue. Click continue. Now we are paying 1,700 naira. 1,700 naira. Here you will be inputting your what is it called, your details. As a new customer, you will click on this new customer, then you will input your names, your last name, your company name, then email address. But you know, as I have an existing account with them already, so I'll be picking existing customer. Okay, let us do it this way. Let us use your own let us use new customer. So if we are using new customer, then we have to input our name. As we are we want to try to design a website for Ife, so we'll be picking the name Ife Olua. Yes, last name, which is this. Yes, that is the last name. So the name of the company is Ife Global Services. Ife Global Services. Yes, that is the company name. Yes, that is the company name, Ife Global Services. So email. Yes, we will be using. You have to input your own email here, but for the course of this training, we'll be putting Mo Precious 0412. That is it, 0412. So you will have to choose your password. So I'll be choosing a password, but try to choose a very strong password. Yes, very strong password. I'll be using yes, you can see now, very, very strong. Very strong. Let me go back again. So you will see this place. It will be showing if it is strong enough. Yes, and this very strong. Now the next thing for us to do is to confirm the password. You will have to confirm the password. Which is this and this. You can see password confirmed. Then your address. I'll be picking this. Yes, I'll be picking that. You will have to use your own address. Yes, I'll be picking that. Then I will have to change this number here. I will have to change this number here to this 3752221 and 91. Yes, I will have to change the password to this. So how do you find us? Google. You can put anything you like there. Then how do you want them to be contacting you? You can pick that SMS, then the number that you want, which is this number. You will have to copy this number and paste here and paste here. So they want it in international format. So you will have to change it to 234 like that. They want it in international format. So the next thing for us to do now is to click update. To click update. Tax may be charged depending upon the state and country, blah blah like that, but you are not paying that now. Do you have promotional code? If you have promotional code, you can put there, or if you don't have promotional code, you don't have to put there. Now you can see payment method, but we are going for bank deposit or transfer. You can as well choose to pick InterSwitch WebPay, where you will be using GTB, but I normally go for bank deposit or transfer. Then the next thing for us to do is to click on I have read and agreed to the terms of service. Now the next thing is to click checkout. I hope you are following me. The next thing is to click checkout. Yes, you have to save the password. Next thing is to click checkout. As you can see, they have generated an invoice. Yes, they have generated an invoice. So since we are going for bank transfer, or you want to visit a bank, now this is where we are paying into. You can see InterSwitch or bank deposit or transfer. Yes, this is where you are paying into, which is 1,007. We'll be paying into Zenith Bank, this number, or GTB. Now I want to pay for this domain name and hosting. I want to pay for this domain name and hosting. Yes, I have paid for the domain name and hosting now. As you can see, successful. You have successfully transferred this amount to Qserver Network Limited, which is this amount. Now, okay. So I will have to get the what is it called? The transaction receipt, because you will need to show this proof of payment. We need to show this proof of payment. So I will have to get this, which is this one. Now I will have to screenshot the transaction receipt. You screenshot the transaction receipt. So the next thing for us to do now is to go back to Qserver, so you can input the details of. So we are back into the Qserver platform. If you check now, you will see welcome back Ifeoluwa. And this is the address that we input the other time. If you check this area, you will see services 0, domain 0, ticket 0, invoice 0. So the next thing for you to do now, see unpaid invoice, which is 1,007. Though you have paid, but you need to do some other things here before you can go ahead to design your website. What is that? The next thing for you to do is to click open new ticket. So you'll be picking open new ticket, and open new ticket will take you to this area. The next thing for you to do is to click on sales. Because you want to open this ticket and you want to send the ticket to sales. Yes, this is your name, this is your email. Then the subject will be payments. You can put payment for domain name and hosting successful. Payment for domain name and hosting successful. So you go to related services. When you click on related services, it will bring this out. You go for starter pack, which is effectglobalservices.com.ng. Just click on that. Click on starter pack. Then priority. Make sure your priority is high. So they will attend to you very, very soon. You can see the priority low, medium and high. Make sure you always choose high so they will attend to you as soon as possible. Now you can just put some little text here. Hello, I just paid for my domain and hosting. I just paid for my domain and hosting, and it was successful. Yes, I paid. You can choose. You can just say, okay, attached herewith is the proof of payment. Attached herewith is the proof of payment. Now you will have to bring that proof of payment. Choose file. It will take you to your system, where you'll be able to pick the you remember the screenshot the other time. So you will have to pick that screenshot, which is this. You have to pick the screenshot, which is that. Now the screenshot is there, so you have to go down to this area to check that you are not a robot. Now the next thing for you to do is to check again if there is anything you are omitting. But so if you want them to attend to this very fast, you can as well put I paid into Zenith bank account. I paid into Zenith bank account, and the bank name, bank account that I paid, bank account name that I paid from is Moka Adeoye Simeon. Yes, that is where you paid from. So the next thing for you to do now is to submit. Yes, you have to submit this. It depends on your network, how fast this will load. Depends on your network, how fast this will load. Now you have successfully created a ticket. You have successfully created a ticket. Your ticket has been successfully created. An email has been sent to your address with the ticket information. If you would like to view this ticket, now you can do so. So you can just go to your email to go and check the ticket. So the next thing for us to do now is to wait until they attend to this your ticket. So I will have to stop this video right here. I told you that I will be dropping 2 videos. So I will have to stop this video now. So when they attended to that our ticket, then we will come back and continue the training. I will see you in the next video.